Hello and welcome to Peachiest Reviews. Today we're reviewing the MECO or MECO solar powered hand cranking flashlight, and this is it. And also in the box comes with the instructions, and they're pretty straightforward. This here, you can put it in the light, in the sunlight, and make sure that it hits the solar panel, and it'll charge it up. Or you can use the hand crank and just turn it, and it powers the flashlight. And this snaps back down and goes back into place. And this is the on and off switch. You see how it's a nice bright light. I like this because you can keep this in the car all winter long, and we have like cold winters and stuff here. You don't have to worry about the batteries freezing, getting discharged, just messing up, corroding and all that kind of stuff. And it's always ready for you. And there's this also this little hook, Carabiner hook you can, clip onto your belt loop. So if you're at work and you need a flashlight, just clip it on your side and it'll be handy. I really like this. It's kind of rugged. It's not, the greatest material, but it's good. It's good for the price. You got little rubber protecting the light mechanism. I like this. This will be something that will stay in the car, and I'll always have a light when needed. This is just my opinion. And if you have any questions, contact the seller.